Okay, I'm here with Armando Ramirez. He is the Sales and Marketing Manager for Catalina Cylinder. Talk to us about what are the products that a distributor would buy from Catalina?
Well, a range of products, really, but primarily aluminum cylinders. We are the largest supplier of seamless aluminum cylinders in the world, I think. It's a premier product. We're very proud of the brand, and it's been quite an experience learning and getting to know the industry, the players in the industry. It's been a lot of fun at the same time, but if we make more than one product, we wouldn't be good at all of it, so we stick to the cylinders.
All right, fair. And what would be something that maybe some people don't know about Catalina Cylinders?
Probably the thing that attracted me the most is that Catalina Cylinders is an ESOP. We're employee owned. We have partial ownership from the original family, the Keeler family. So they're still very much as part of Catalina, and that's something that a lot of folks I don't think know.
Okay. Aside from the products, talk about the value that you bring. What kind of value do you bring to a distributor aside from just the products?
We like to say it's our service. It is definitely the organization. The salesperson is only as good as the rest of the organization. I can sell the first one, but it's really the folks behind the rest of the organization that sell the rest. So it's our team effort. It's the value, I think, comes from everyone knowing exactly what they need to do, thinking along the lines of what the customer is looking for and has the expectation of.
Okay, thinking about the supply chain, how do you guys go to market? Do you typically sell directly to these distributors, or would they typically buy through a wholesaler?
So we do have a very robust and very well-established distributor network. There are some resellers which really are just legacy customers from prior to the distributor network being firmly established. That's primarily the direction that the channels that we use.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. And some of the distributors weren't able to make it here to Philadelphia. What would you say to them if they were right here right now?
Oh, you're missing it. You're definitely missing it.
Yep. Fun fact about Armando, I visited California not too long ago. The guy's got a million Mercedes-Benz from the 80s in his driveway. He's an expert. He knows every piece of every car, and it's really amazing to see. You should check it out sometime if you get the chance and you're out in California. Look up Armando, and he will show you his stuff. It was wicked cool. I did see the Catalina plant in action. Coolest thing I've ever seen. And stay tuned for the GAWDA Q3 magazine, where I'll have a feature about Catalina Cylinder in my visit when I visited you out there in October. So,
Cool.
All right.
Thank you.
Armando.
Appreciate it. Thank you.